Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh my roses to keep them looking fresh. This is what they looked like when I got them on Saturday. And we're going to try to keep them. I'm refreshing my flowers. I got these on Saturday. You can see they're starting to wilt a little bit. But some of them still look quite beautiful. So I have added my water and vinegar and ice. And I am going to kind of like see if I can pluck some of the dead leaves and see how I can get it to look. So I'm just like pulling these ones off. Okay, and then I saw this on the internet where it helps to look more full. I think I'm not doing it right. It kind of like fluffs out the petals. Yeah. Okay, so look at this one. So we're just gonna pluck this off. And you can see how it looks. Whoa. Look how much fuller it looks. Now we spritz. Look at how pretty they look. Look at that. They look beautiful. And I think I'm done. Now I go put them back on my center table. Now look how pretty they look. They almost look like a brand new bouquet. And I've had these for 5 days already. And they look perfect. So my goal is to try to keep them for like a week, 2 weeks at a time before they go dead. Really, the goal is at least 2 weeks. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.